The trust equation by Meister, Green, and Galford suggests that in every interaction, people are unconsciously calculating trustworthiness, the degree to which they believe they can trust the other person's words, deeds, intentions, and emotions. The outcome of the equation is determined by 4 trust elements. Credibility refers to competence and is based on 2 interacting factors: the degree to which the person has the necessary content knowledge and technical expertise, and the way the person openly shares the information and engages others in its use. Reliability is about dependability and consistency. The more a person's actions fulfill their obligations and align with our expectations, the more reliable we believe them to be. Intimacy is about emotional connection. Far more than simply building rapport, people who create a sense of intimacy make others feel safe, like they can be vulnerable even when sharing difficult personal and professional truths. Intimacy is about making others feel truly known, respected, and understood. The denominator is self-orientation, the degree to which the other person is focused on you and your needs, or themselves and their needs. The more people seem to prioritize their own interests and be preoccupied with their own agenda, the less they are seen as trustworthy. The decision to trust someone is based on this very human calculation. To get to we must increase the quantities in the numerator and decrease the denominator.